Ever wondered how online payments transformed from clunky chaos to the seamless experience we know today? And just how old is the company behind much of that change? Today, we are diving into the history of Stripe, exploring its age, its incredible growth, and its significant impact on the world of online payments. Stripe was founded in 2010 by brothers Patrick and John Collison. These young entrepreneurs recognized the immense pain points businesses faced when trying to accept payments online. So, what age is Stripe? As of today, in 2024, Stripe is 14 years old. Starting as a small startup, Stripe quickly gained traction by offering developers easy to integrate APIs for processing payments. This focus on developer experience was a key differentiator. Over the years, Stripe has experienced exponential growth, expanding its services beyond basic payment processing. They now offer tools for subscription management, fraud prevention, and even company incorporation. Stripe's impact is undeniable. It has empowered countless businesses, from small startups to large enterprises, to easily accept payments and scale their operations globally. You've probably used Stripe without even realizing it. So, at 14 years old, Stripe has already become a major player in the fintech industry, revolutionizing the way we buy and sell online, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Thanks for joining us on this quick journey through Stripe's history. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and technology.